So the instructions for this is to divide using synthetic or long division. Now, you can't use synthetic division on all of these, but you can use long division on all of these. So if you prefer long division, have at it. But I do want to point out, this one can be done with synthetic division because it's divided by x plus 4. Okay, x is by itself with a constant. This one also can be done with synthetic division because you'd have a normal x and then a constant. This one, however, number 12, has to be done with long division because I have an x squared right here. So you can't use synthetic division. So I'm going to go ahead and use synthetic division. I think it is the easiest, but that's just me. So first of all, I look, and I have x to the 4th, I have an x to the 3rd term, x squared, x, and 14. So I don't have to put any zeros in. Then it's being divided by x plus 4, so I put in the opposite of what it looks like it should be. So I'm putting in a negative 4. So now I put in the coefficients, 1, 5, negative 6, negative 11, 14. Okay, and I remember de ma, 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 I'm not going to sing it. Okay, remember that? That tells me what I need to do. So I'm going to drop. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. I add these together and get 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. I add these, it gives me negative 10. Negative 4 times negative 10 is 40. I add these and get 29. And then negative 4 times 29, oops, hang on a second, negative 24, nope, negative 4 times 29 is negative 116. And when I add those together, I get negative 102. So now I've done what I need to do with my coefficients. Now I need to put these coefficients back in with my, or I have to put my variables back in with the coefficients. So remember, I started with an x to the 4th, so this one goes down 1. It's x cubed. So I have x cubed plus x squared minus 10x plus 29 plus negative 102 over x plus 4. Okay, so number 11. Number 11, I'm going to also do using synthetic division, and I look and it's x cubed. I don't have an x squared term, so I'm going to put that in there, plus 0x squared. All right, so again, I have x plus 3. I do the opposite. I have 1, 0, negative 9, 12. So I drop the 1, multiply, I get negative 3. Negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. This becomes a 0. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. And then I have the remainder of 12. So putting this back in, again, okay, I started with x cubed, so now I'll have x squared minus 3x. There is no constant, it's just 0, plus 12 over x plus 3. All right, let me just double check, make sure I did that right. I got a different answer. Look at that. Oh, never mind. You know what? It's wrong on the key. It's wrong on the key. So if you see this, I made a mistake. I'll make note of that. Okay. Number 12. Like I said before, this one cannot be done with synthetic division. Okay. So this one I have to use long division. So I've got x squared plus x minus 4 is going into 4x to the 4th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 9x squared. Okay, I need an term, so plus 0x minus 36. All right, now remember, I'm only focusing on this one when it comes to looking at what it goes into, and then these two just follow along when I'm multiplying. So x squared goes into 4x to the fourth, 4x squared times 4x squared times x squared, 4x to the fourth. Then I keep multiplying. 4x squared times x is 4x cubed. Then I have minus 16x squared. All right, so then when I subtract these, I'm going to subtract that, I'm going to change this sign and change that sign. So I have negative 2x cubed plus 7x squared. And I drop down the 0x. All right, x squared goes into negative 2x cubed minus 2x times. Negative 2x times x squared is negative 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x. Subtract those, and I get 9x squared minus 8x. Drop down the negative 36. X squared goes into 9x squared 9 times. 9 times x squared is 9x squared plus 9x minus 36. So when I subtract these, I get a negative 17x right here. So my remainder is negative 17x divided by x squared plus x minus 4. So there's my answer. And I am going to continue with number 13 in the next video.